Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here in Santagueda, AKA the Finca. Before I show you guys around, I need to give a shout out to mi cuñado Andreas and mi cuñadas Beatrice and Maribel. Thank you guys for allowing me and Anna to enjoy the peace and tranquility at your finca. Gracias por todo. Now that that's said, let me show you guys around. This is one of my favorite things of the finca, and that'll be the pool. It gets hot here in Santagueda, so a pool is a nice, cool, refreshing part of your day in Santagueda. I want to show you around at some of the fruit trees and vegetables, flowers. Some of the flowers here in Colombia are just freaking beautiful. I mean, look at the colors on that one. And you got this tree here, nice colors. And of course you got your avocados. There's a few avocados in this tree. Yeah, pretty soon we'll be having guacamole. Yeah, I call this a finca, but in reality it's like a country house, summer house. There are fincas that have coffee, fincas that have cows for dairy products. This is more of a rest and relaxation finca. And then we got, now I get confused. I don't know if these are bananas or if these are plantains. So if anybody knows, please let me know in the comments. Over here you got your coconut tree. And these things here, I have no idea what these are too. If anybody knows, again, let me know in the comments. I appreciate it. You got orange tree back there. Look at the size of this cactus. I think this is called a Christmas cactus. Don't hold me to that. But I think. And of course, this tree is huge. And it's got these things in them. I don't even know what those are. If anybody knows what those are, just let me know. I appreciate it. That's a good sized cactus too. And of course over here you got, I believe it's pronounced guanabara. Don't hold me to the pronunciation. There's a few of them in this tree. And of course you got your front gate. There's an orange tree. It's got a few oranges in it. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Now these pink flowers are pretty. I like those. And look, guava. We got guava in the guava tree. There's your guava. That one's just about ready. And of course, the birds eat them. The birds and the little critters. Speaking of little critters, I gotta show you over here. They got these big red squirrels. And they only come out at night. Never seen them during the day. And what they do is, they climb the coconut tree and they get the coconuts and they put them to the ground and they eat them. Let me show you. But first, this is a mango tree. See, over here is what I mean. Look at these coconuts. Look how they just scrape it. And they eat the inside out. There's another one here. That's incredible. And they scratch and scratch and scratch and scratch until the coconut falls down, and then when it's on the ground, they go to town on it. Again, I don't know if these are bananas or plantains, but if I had to guess, those are bananas. Look at the color on these flowers here is freaking gorgeous. I love that. Like I said, the pool is one of my favorite things here at the Finca. But my favoriteest are the mountains. I don't know if you could see the mountains from here. Unfortunately, this camera does not zoom in. Maybe I can get some mountains up here. Okay guys, that's it for today. Just want to show you around the Finca, Santagueda. And it's a nice place to come and relax, chill out. Alright, thanks for watching guys. And I will see you on the next video.